sometimes when you're working alone and you need to check power on a wire, in this case it's the starter trigger wire from the ignition switch. So I need somebody to turn the key, and then I can check for voltage at this wire. Well, since everybody else is busy, what I sometimes do is I use a horn. So I've got the power wire, instead of going to the starter, I got it running to the horn, and then the horn is grounded to the engine right here. So now if I turn the key and I have power here, that horn is gonna make a sound. So I have the vehicle in park, I turn the key, you can hear the horn. I go to neutral. So I know the ignition switch is okay, I know the wiring is okay, I know the park neutral switch is okay. The vehicle didn't crank initially, no matter what position. So what I did was I reached down under here, I took these wires off, I manually gave the starter power and it cranked. I then turned the key to the on position, and I did it again, and that's when the vehicle started and I was able to drive it onto my hoist. Looking at this connector here, it looks quite corroded. Same with the other one. Both of these connect to the starter trigger solenoid circuit, the 50 circuit. So I'm gonna clean these connectors. Actually, I'll replace these connectors, but I'll clean the terminals on the starter, and that should take care of his no start.
Sorted.